What do you get when you combine the calm of a monk, the precision of an engine, and the instincts of a grandmaster? You get Domaraju Gukesh, and now even Gary Kasparov thinks so. Today we bring you two stunning stories, Kasparov's jaw-dropping praise of Gukesh and how the young Indian prodigy is dominating day 2 of the Super United Chess Tournament in Croatia. In a rare public appearance, former world champion Gary Kasparov praised 18-year-old Gukesh in a way that shook the chess world. Speaking at the Super United Rapid and Blitz event, Kasparov said, "Playing Gukesh is like playing a computer. You have to beat him 5 times. He has many lives." Think about that. Kasparov, arguably the greatest player in history, comparing Gukesh to a computer because of his mental stamina, resilience, and mistake-free gameplay. What impressed Kasparov most was Gukesh's ability to bounce back even after losing a game. Gukesh doesn't crumble, he comes back stronger, Kasparov added. With computers, if you lose your concentration, you are dead. With Gukesh, you lose it once, twice, he just keeps surviving. This isn't just flattery, it's recognition. Gukesh, the youngest world champion in history, is now being spoken about in the same breath as elite machines. And if Kasparov's word needed proof, Gukesh delivered it with fireworks on day 2 of the Croatia Rapid and Blitz tournament. First, he took down Nadirbek Abdusattorov, the 2021 World Rapid Champion. Then came Fabiano Caruana, a world title finalist and one of the most dangerous players alive. Gukesh beat him too. But the big shock, Gukesh beat Magnus Carlsen again, and this time with the black pieces. Yes, for the second day in a row, the prodigy from India took down the greatest player of our generation. It wasn't just a win, it was a comeback win. Clinical, creative and cold-blooded. After 6 rounds of rapid chess, Gukesh now leads the tournament with 10 out of 12 points, ahead of Duda, Wesley So and even Carlsen himself. He's cool, he's calm and he's climbing. Gukesh is no longer the underdog, he's the player to beat. And with legends like Kasparov now comparing him to machines, the future of chess may already be here. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more epic chess stories. Until next time, stay sharp and keep playing.